A business is looking to shift its sensitive and confidential documentation from an overloaded on-premises Windows server to an AWS solution. The migration must ensure that only authenticated staff can retrieve these files, and the retrieval process must be protected during transit. Given the shift toward remote work, what is the most appropriate AWS-native strategy to replace the aging file server while maintaining strict security controls?
Option A. Move the file storage to an Amazon EC2 instance within a public subnet and restrict access based on employee source IP ranges via security group rules. Option B. Shift data to Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, connect it to the current on-premises Active Directory, and provide connectivity through AWS Client VPN.
Option C. Migrate documents to Amazon S3, utilize a private VPC endpoint, and generate pre-signed URLs to facilitate secure retrieval. Option D. Migrate documents to Amazon S3, implement a public VPC endpoint, and authenticate employees through AWS IAM Identity Center.
The core concepts here involve migrating Windows-based file workloads to the cloud. You need to consider how to maintain existing permissions, ensure encrypted transit for remote users, and uphold security standards for sensitive data.
I believe the correct answer is option B. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server is the ideal choice for migrating existing on-premises Windows file servers because it provides native support for SMB, Windows ACLs, and Active Directory integration. By integrating with the existing on-premises Active Directory, the company can maintain existing user permissions. AWS Client VPN provides a secure, encrypted tunnel for remote employees to access the VPC resources, satisfying the requirement for secure download.
Regarding the other options, option A is incorrect because hosting a file server in a public subnet exposes it to the internet, which violates security best practices. Option C is less suitable because it does not natively support the same Windows file system protocols or existing Active Directory permissions. Option D is incorrect because there is no such thing as a public VPC endpoint. VPC endpoints are private by design.
As a quick exam tip, always remember that for lift and shift migrations of Windows file servers, FSx is generally the preferred choice over manual EC2 setups or refactoring into S3 if you need to keep legacy permissions and protocol compatibility intact.